78 with thunder. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of south-central Wisconsin, including the following county: Dane. When? Until 7:30 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Additional details: at 4:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, McFarland, Monona, Cottage Grove, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Madison, Camp Randall Stadium, and Henry Vila Zoo. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. This is the NOAA weather radar.